Hey guys, it's Stephanie, and I'm at one of my build jobs in Lilyana. This is with American Legend. So let's turn around and take a peek and see what we have going on. Okay, here we go. Everything is coming along great. The brick has been delivered. We are waiting for inspections right now, and once we get the all clear for those, they will start the drywall. So let's go take a peek inside. Okay, so coming in the entry, it's a two-story foyer. And we have an office here. All the insulation has been put in. Full bath. And then the second bedroom that's downstairs with a walk-in closet. There's some good storage right here under the stairs. And then everything is opened up into this two-story living. You can see the dining area. And this will all be the kitchen with that island and a huge pantry. And then going out here, it opens up to the garage, and then this is going to be the utility room, which is actually very spacious. We'll go into the primary bedroom. And they already have the drywall in here ready when everything has been cleared by the city. So this is going to be the walk-in closet. There'll be a vanity right here. Of course, shower, tub, and then a linen closet. And there'll be another vanity that will be installed here. And then behind that is the toilet. So let's take a walk upstairs. Nice big window. There's plenty of light. That's for sure. So this opens up into the game room. Very big. Lots of room. And then right across here is going to be a true media room. What do I mean when I say true media room? Well, it's going to have some doors. So some of them, the builders have media rooms, but it's more like an entertainment room because it doesn't have any doors. Here's one of the bedrooms, and there's 4 bedrooms total. And then here's another full bath that will be shared by this other bedroom as well. All decent size with walk-in closets. Okay guys, that's our update for this week. If you need help in the Prosper or surrounding areas, reach out. I would love to help. Have a great day.